Raise your right hand. Raise your left hand. Turn by the side. The last time I made this video,
Maman dit travailler c'est bien, bien mieux qu'être mal accompagné, pas vrai?
Where I showed you guys how you can animate any image to follow your video, your pre-recorded video, body movement, head movement, every movement, your hand movement, where you can also use it to create a dancing video, okay, with baby picture or full adult picture. So many of you are asking me if it's possible for this video to be used for a live video call because the image retains all its features, the hair, the clothes, everything. And I was telling you guys that for now, it's for video creation, okay? But in less than no time that we're still trying to figure out how it's possible because the major thing is for it to appear in OBS. Once it can be able to appear in OBS in real time, it can work in all platforms in live video call. But right now, it's 100% possible. You can now use any image and the image is going to follow your body, your hand, your eye, your mouth, every movement you make, the image is going to follow the same body movement, all right? But this time around, it's live. It's no more video creation. I told you guys, AI is getting more advanced. Every day, we keep getting updates in different things that you can use AI to do. It's now possible for you to use any image to make live video call in all platforms, and it will return, the image will return its features. If the image has a white hair, the image will return the white hair, white beard. If it's a female wearing weave-on, even if you're on skin like the way I am, I'm going to show you guys example in this video, okay, video I made, and that is a real life video which can be used in live video call in all platforms because it can be channeled to OBS, and once you channel any live video to OBS, it can go to Wecam, it can go to every other platform through different means, all right? So let me just play the video so that you guys can see how it works. We're going to use two pictures, which is this female picture and also this male picture. Why I use this female picture is a white lady, but she has a long Brazilian hair or whatever. Now, and she's white. Why I'm using this man is because the man has a white beard, and you guys can see there's no beard. I have no white beard. There's no white hair. Now, I'm going to try and use this picture, this female picture. Let's see how it's going to come out in this software. You guys can see. Raise your right hand. Raise your left hand. Raise your two hands. Now turn your face. So you guys can see the image. Turn by the side. Now, the video you just watched now is not a pre-recorded video, whereby like the other one I showed you earlier in this video, whereby you can record a video and put a picture and put it in a software and the picture is going to follow the movement of your body or your mouth, head, eye, every movement. No, which you can also use in a dance video. That is completely a different thing, okay? What you watched now is a live communication. While I was talking was when that picture was communicating at the same time, all right? While I was on my system communicating, talking, the picture was following my mouth, body, hand, every movement. At that particular time I'm talking is a real life scenario, not a pre-recorded video that I put in a software to generate, okay, to use the image to generate the same movement. No, this is a live video, and you can integrate this to OBS, which once you integrate it to OBS, it will now be used in all platforms. You can still, from OBS, take it to Wecam, and it can show in WhatsApp, Zoom, Skype, every other platform. This is why presently AI is just going crazy. Okay, there are a lot of things that is going on in AI, a lot of software that is coming up, which I will also be presenting to you guys. But sometimes I get skeptical because some of the softwares can do some crazy things which some people might not find funny. All right, but this particular one is available for live video call in all platforms. All right, I just want to update you guys. For those of you that have been asking me, can this be used in a live video call? And when I tell them it's only for content creating, you can only use it to generate the same movement from a pre-recorded video, they were like, no, this would have been the best for a live prank video call. All right, so this is very much available for a live prank video call. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure you follow for more tips like this.